Rich on delicious recipe. Brisket salad. Ingredients: 4 and a half of brisket, half cucumber, about the cherry tomato, 5 mushrooms, 5 fresh squares polares, half a can of sweet corn, 5 drops of garlic sauce, vinaigrette. At first, we are going to prepare the chicken breast. Open the breast, cook into cubes, add a pint of salad and garlic sauce, put the pan over medium heat until hot, and a teaspoon of oil. Cook the breast for 10 minutes until it is well done.
We lay the breast resting in meanwhile we're going to start chopping the fruits and vegetables. In the medium, just like the breast tangoing is ready, we're going to serve the salads, and finally we add the vinaigrette. Thanks for seeing our receipt today. I hope you like it.